Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hira Dhalani. I'm a neurologist and I work at Synergy Super Speciality Hospital, Rajkot. So we know June 8th is the World Brain Tumor Day, and basically the idea is to raise public awareness of brain tumors, about the understanding of brain tumors, and basically educate people on the very various early symptoms that it can present with, and educate people about the timely diagnosis, the importance of timely diagnosis, and the various treatment strategies that are available these days. So you'll be surprised to know that brain tumor is soon going to become the second most common cancer affecting the people in a decade to come. So it is a very rare yet very deadly disease, and not only it affects elderly people, but even the young ones get affected. And it can present with very vague and non-specific symptoms like headaches. Many times we keep ignoring our headaches, but if your headaches are persistent and if they are severe, especially early in the morning, and you get vomiting, some nausea, giddiness along with it, then do consult your doctor. In elderly people, it can present with very vague symptoms like difficulty in walking or imbalance, or just frequent falling down, or some minor changes in memory or behavior. But these are all red flags for brain tumor, and we need to consult doctor at early stage to prevent this deadly disease from happening. About the treatment nowadays, there are very advanced chemotherapies and neurosurgeries are available to help the patient to great extent. So you should not delay the diagnosis. Early diagnosis is the key to prevent brain cancer. And another thing on prevention, what we can do to prevent brain tumors from happening is one that we should avoid some addictive habits like smoking for sure, and avoid exposure, at least minimize exposure to all the factory chemicals, to the polluted areas. That's all carcinogenic air that we are breathing in. And additionally, remaining stress free is very important to prevent any kind of brain disease. So remain stress free and have a happy brain. Thank you.